Hey everybody, this is my 1972 Nova project. I've owned this car since I was 16 years old and just over the last several years just started putting it back together to get it back on the road. It is a bone stock 2004 4.8 liter Chevrolet. Never even had the valve covers off. Stock intake, stock cam. It has a Borg-Warner S475 turbocharger, so 75 millimeter on the input side. I think it's got an 83 millimeter wheel on the output side. This video is just to show you what this combination sounds like in a stock configuration for those of you that are putting together your own projects.